This is a bone for a coyote. Let's see what she thinks. Roo! Are you done mowing on your rat?
Still working on it.
That's pretty yummy. Oh my gosh. Oh, those teeth. Those teeth. Oh, just a minute. Finish what you got. Good girl. You want this? What is that? Oh, so gentle. It's pretty heavy. He's pretty heavy. What you got? What is that? She's so pretty. Good girl. Tell Jeff thank you. Tell him to leave you some meat next time. What? Earlier, she knocked the screen out of her window and out onto the roof, so we had to fix that. Imagine a coyote living inside causing problems. Who would have thunk? Good girl. Good girl. That'll give you something to work on. Wow. Now you're going to put a hole in the wall.